Welcome back to That Cyber Guy. So, in our previous videos, we discussed VirtualBox, Kali Linux. Uh, Today what we are going to discuss Metasploitable. So, we are going to just try to download Metasploitable and to use it. So, what is Metasploitable? Metasploitable is a vulnerable Linux virtual machine that is designed to be exploited for security research and penetration testing. So, the same way that you can get in trouble if you go to Walmart, do something wrong, is the same way that if you do something wrong without any permission into somebody's system, you can be in trouble. That is why, in order for you to practice, you need a framework or a system to practice on. So that is the purpose of the video today. So let's go ahead and download Metasploitable. Yeah, to download Metasploitable, we can go to our favorite web browser. I go to Google and I can search for Metasploitable. Download. Alright, click on this one. You just alright, click on download. So once the download is complete, it's gonna be in your download, and then you can go ahead and just go to your download folder and then right click and then extract the file. Once the extraction is complete, you're gonna just go there and just verify that it is here, that blue icon. Alright, the download is complete. Yeah, we have the file that we need. What we can do, we can click on new, open VirtualBox, click on new, and then type Metasploitable. This is the name of your machine. Now, as you can see, we cannot just search for an ISO as we did for the Kali Linux. We're gonna just leave this alone for now. So we are going to click on Linux. We can just, it's automatically say Oracle Linux 64-bit. I can just click on Ubuntu 64. Okay, and then now for base memory, I can make sure that it just go up here. I'm not going to give it everything because I need some resource for my computer. And then for the CPU, I'm going to leave it here, and I'm going to click on next. For the disk, I'm going to give it 100 gig. And then what I'm going to do right here, this is where I'm going to use my virtual hard disk. Click on it, and then click on add. And you need to locate your Metasploitable file, the one that was extracted, and then you can just open it and just click on that virtual hard disk, that VMD, and then click choose. Once you're done with all that, you can click on next and review all your selections, and then click on finish. So right now you can see our Metasploitable is created. We can just click start. So this process can take a while. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, so let's see what's gonna happen right now. seems that the it is trying to start. Just give it a minute. Yeah, sometimes for some reason there's the error message, no peak. So if you run into that issue, no peak, sometimes it's related to memory and space. So what we can do to fix that issues, there are multiple ways, but in our case, what we can do, we can just go ahead and just shut down the machine, turn it off, and then start it again. Now we're gonna wait a minute. All right, there we go. Just booting right now. I have to make sure that I'm ready and just press escape. There we go. So in the escape button, I can press E again and type NOAPIC and hit enter. And then I'm going to go to the kernel, the second option, and press E and space NOAPIC. And then I can press NOA. After I type NOAPIC, I press enter and press B to boot the operating system. Alright, so it looks promising right now. Good. So seems that it's gonna work. Now you have to keep in mind that we have our, in the meantime, we can actually logging into our Kali machine. There we go. And then check our Metasploitable. Alright, so as you can see here, our Metasploitable is the logging. They tell you what you have to do. MSF admin as a username, MSF admin as a password. Please note that in Linux, when you type a password, you don't see it, but you can keep typing. Alright, no mail. I'm into that server right now. Now if I just press LS vulnerability, I can just go into that vulnerable. I can go to that server, to that file to see. Okay. All right. So now what we are going to do next, we are going to try to connect our Kali Linux to that server. So now, first of all, we need to know the IP address. Okay, now you need to connect your Kali Linux and your Metasploitable together. To do so, you can go back to your Oracle VirtualBox and then click on you can go to File. I am already here. I'm already there. So Tools, Network Manager, and then you can create a network, a NAT. Okay. Network, create, can create NAT network. I don't know why. Let me see if NAT was created before. it's the same idea, to just, I'm not going to reveal my IP address to you guys. So the network was created. So I created that network for both my Kali and my Metasploitable. So what I will invite you to do, if you want to learn how to connect them together, make sure that you go online, and learn how to connect them, because for security purposes I wouldn't want to show my IP address even though it's in a virtual machine. Alright, so now you should be up and running. You have a virtual machine, Kali Linux, with all the tools, and then now you have a place to practice on it. Alright, good luck. Make sure that you like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you.